The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Baltimore County and northern Maryland, Harford County and northern Maryland until 5:45 p.m. At 5:11 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from near Stewartstown to near Reisterstown and moving east at 40 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Aberdeen, Bel Air, Cockeysville, Riverside, Reisterstown, Falston, Kearney, Perryman, Bel Air South, Hampton, Jarrettsville, White Marsh, Perry Hall, Mays Chapel, Kingsville, Bel Air North, Lutherville, Timonium, Pleasant Hills, Timonium and Goings Mills. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, large hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road.